Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we're bringing to you yet another beautiful villa which is located off Hennur Road on the new International Airport Road close to the Manyata Tech Park. This is a project which is in about 1.5 acres of plot and has got 27 boutique villas. It's a G+2 structure. There's a little bit of construction activity that's happening, so you could hear that hammering sound. So pardon us. And this villa is a ready-to-move-in property, and it's approved by all the major banks. And it is also a BDA approved property. So that's how the elevation of the villa looks like. As I mentioned, it's a G+2, 4+1 bedroom structure. Now let me walk inside the villa and show you how it looks. That's the car park. You could park about 2 small cars back to back. And that's a small walkway which runs around the villa. And that's the main entrance. Let's walk into the villa. We take 3 steps up. And we enter into the villa. That's the main door. And as we enter into the villa, that's how the villa is spread out. Right there is your living area with the backyard, and that's your kitchen, and that is your bedroom on the ground floor with the powder room. Now let me walk and show you the backyard of the villa. That's an access, and that is how the rear elevation of the villa would look like. And let's walk into the villa. That's a view of the ground floor from the other end. That's where we entered in from, and that's where the car parking, the main door, the living area, and then we could have this as the dining area or a second living area, whatever suits your taste. That could be just besides that window. There could be your dining, and this, as we turn to the left, is a closed kitchen. That's a kitchen. Kitchen is decent size, and that's the utility which is attached to the kitchen. Decent enough space for having a utility and a nice storage space. Now from the kitchen we walk towards the bedroom on the ground floor, and before we head there, you could see that's a little wash area, and they've given a sink with a little cabinet below the sink, and to the left of it I think there's enough space if you would want to add a little bit more storage space. And now let's walk towards the bedroom number 1 on the ground floor, or the guest bedroom. Just at the edge, adjacent to the bedroom, is the powder room with the shower area. And now we're into the bedroom number 1. There are no lights currently, so you could see, and it's about almost around 5 p.m. and the light that you get into this room is quite decent. From the bedroom number 1 we head out, and you could see the flooring in the bedroom as well as in the living area. All through the ground floor is marble flooring. And now we head on to the first floor. To the first floor, as you could see, the first floor has got 2 bedrooms, one on the right, that's the bedroom on the right, and then one on the left. And they have a family area as well, a small family area where you could have a formal seating. Now let's enter into bedroom number 2. First bedroom was on the ground floor. That's bedroom number 2. This bedroom has got an attached toilet and has got windows on 2 sides of the wall, so allows a lot of natural light and ventilation. That's the attached toilet with the shower cubicle, and just behind this door you could have your closet, your wardrobe closet. We head out of bedroom number 2 and we'll show you the balcony. We walk into the balcony. It's quite an extended balcony, linear. That's the view the balcony has to offer. From the balcony, we walk back into the bedroom number 3. That's bedroom number 3 with an attached toilet and an attached balcony that overlooks the backyard. That's the toilet with a wash. We'll show you the balcony. From the balcony we head back and we'll now take you to the second floor. Before going to the second floor, you could see that this portion has got a skylight opening and it runs all across to the bottom. Now we've come on to the second floor. The second floor has got 2 bedrooms, one on the right and the other one on the left, and it's got a portion of terrace as well, which we'll show you. Now we enter into room number 4, fourth bedroom. Rooms seems quite nicely lit and spacious. With an attached toilet and a bath. We head out of the 4th bedroom. We take you into the 5th room, or a room which you could make it as an entertainment room, or even a 5th bedroom, whatever suits you, a library or something. Decent small room. You could have your own study here or your own office space if you work from home. We covered 4+1, 5 rooms in this G+2 structure, and we head out of the 5th room and then we walk you into the terrace. Now we are on the terrace. The terrace has got a spiral staircase which takes you to the roof, I think, which has got a water tank or something for servicing and all. It's more of a service staircase. Now we walk to one end of the terrace, and that's how the terrace is spread out. It's got planters on one side and quite linear stretch. We want to show you something special which we initially thought of not covering. We'll take you up the spiral staircase and we'll show you how it looks from the topmost part of this building. Now we are on the topmost part of the building, on the top terrace, on the service terrace, if I could call it one, because it's got the service panels and it's got a spiral staircase to access it. It could also be good if for people who fancy a rooftop seating area, private seating area on the rooftop. So they could have one for people who fancy those kind of private spaces. So with this, we've come to an end of another beautiful villa in Hennur, off Hennur Road, close to Manyata Tech Park in the north of Bangalore. G+2 structure, 4+1 bedroom. And if you think you would want to own something like this, then you have to call on the numbers given below. Thank you so much. Hope you've liked our video, and if you did like our video, do subscribe, like and share our videos with your friends and family who are actively looking for properties in Bangalore and in other places of India also, because we cover properties in Goa and we plan to cover properties in other parts of the country and hopefully sometime in other parts of the world as well. So thank you so much. Have a good day.